what were some of those real nuggets that you all got? What were some of the little light bulb moments? Because I don't know about you. I mean, I feel like we got a ton of really positive feedback on this,
Mhm.
Ty. Did you hear a lot of good stuff from people?
I heard a whole lot of good stuff on Instagram. I got so many messages. Hey, big shout out to everybody that sent me a message on Instagram. So
Yeah.
I typically get 30 messages a day.
Mhm.
So forgive me, there's like an autoresponder that's set up because I get so many messages and I want to get back to everybody. But usually I'll go in and still respond because I got a lot of people who are talking about this project. And even as recent as today, when people are like, how did I miss this last week? And let me watch it before you guys go live. So I got a whole lot
That's
of
good.
responses from it. How about yourself?
Yeah, no, definitely. And what I love too were the people who watched the series last week and, the strategies that we talked about as far as like who we selected and how we created the content and, how we reached out and all that sort of process that I heard from a lot of people who have done this same exact process and have had success. Like there were a bunch of success stories popping into my Instagram and up on, on the YouTube comments and everything. It was so encouraging. It's like, I mean, obviously you and we've had a lot of success with this strategy, but then seeing that other people too, like this is something that works for everybody. And so it's for anybody who hasn't tried it out, hopefully this is an encouragement, something that gets some fire under you to get started.